What's going on, everybody? It's Lang Dutchman here, and today we're at Midland circuit. I came in the E46 compact, but here with two friends from the Discord, and we're just gonna have a great time. Look up some drifting, maybe get some ride-alongs, and just see what and who's here. It's always such a shit location to film. Also, look who we have here. It's Conrad joining us. Let's just do a little walk around and see what's in the pit. First spot is Supra. It's not drift in, but nonetheless, you don't see a Supra in the wild here. Not as common, at least. Pretty cool. Ride and drive even. So as normal on a track day here at Midland, or in the Netherlands in general, E36s, sedan, coupes, compacts, everything. And it's just parked cars like the Supra we just showed. There's a BMW behind it though. It has a carbon bonnet with some vents. I mean, somebody did some effort with it, but then again, I'm like, it's not ugly, but it's too new. It's missing the shitbox potential. Maybe in 10 years. But then this, didn't even see this. He just revealed this car with a new livery, has some new stickers on it. This side is better than the other side, to be honest.
But what you gonna say?
The quality of the wrap I'm talking about. But then
you don't think like the wheel's supposed to be in that direction?
Well, he has a lot of angle.
Yeah.
Damn. Well, but I hope this is savable, and not that the strut has fully come in. Looks like the whole coilover just collapsed and bent, broke, tie rod broke. The wheel, well, that's not round anymore. Yeah, man. Midland gives and Midland takes it away. Cool car nonetheless, but it will be making a comeback, I would say. What else do we have? Somebody else here that was fucking up the tie rods earlier. We forgot a very important car though. You need to paint your wheels, bro.
Wow! Wow! What an amazing car, man! Wow! Look here! Wow! What the color, yeah? Take a look for the wheels. Wow! Good job.
As long as you believe in yourself, man, that's what's important.
Don't show the rust here, right?
Isn't it time for a color change for the wheels?
Yeah, actually, I was thinking about it, but
They're gold, but they're flaky. The silver underneath.
that's chameleon.
Shall we let the people in the comments decide?
No,
So
comment section is locked in that movie.
no. If you have a good idea what this color should be on the wheels, then
Gold again.
let us know.
Only gold again. Then I
I'm
need to change the color inside.
I'm really gonna push that guy to change the color of his wheels.
But it fits with a interior, man.
So we need to paint the whole fucking trim again.
Yeah, it's so dirty inside, but it fits.
Yeah, that's true. But still.
Time for a commercial. If you are interested to buy a new exhaust for our E46, just let us know in the comments.
Yeah, if you're interested in this exhaust setup, it's really cool. Even underneath, like heat wrapped and everything.
highly recommended.
You can get them. You sell them.
Of course.
Hit us up.
Recommended.
Hit us up on Instagram.
Just let us know.
I'll put your Instagram tag here in the video.
Thank you.
There's the banana again.
Banana boy. Banana.
Yep. Those are the over fenders I would like more. They're a lot wider, a lot fatter.
Looking good.
Yeah.
But anyway, every single time when I see him with his car, the car is in the worst condition. You see it?
It looks pretty good now.
Yeah, but comparing like with a half year ago when I saw him first time.
Of course, you make your car pretty and then it goes downhill from there until you make it pretty again.
Exactly.
Especially with a drift car. Those wheels though, kinda like it. Needs to drop down a bit more.
Probably expensive.
And
but yeah, shiny as fuck.
And he's not rocking an M bumper. But it's something different from BMW wheels, so this is what I kind of like.
Just a little bit bigger.
Oh man, the warmth of the sunshine, oh, so good. This thing, what the fuck happens to the rear? This thing rubs or what? Look at how the whole wheel arch is not the original arch anymore. This thing is very wide. Front wheels are cool though. Then we have this bloody mess. Driving it as a two-man crew with all the blood spatters over the car. It's been done reasonably well. And then again, it's something different. At least people starting to drive with liveries now, even though one of them is already crashed. And then I guess there's not really much more to film. There's one more car there. Let's go sit in that corner over there where they wrecked the wall. Wait, we have an exhaust setup that we need to check out. What the hell? What is this exhaust setup? If it works, it works, but just has it looped down with an extra muffler. Apparently from noise restrictions, but this thing has seen some battles.
Hold the intake on the front as well, you can see.
I want to do that with the turbo, but then I need the US covers.
Yeah.
So if anyone is watching in the US and can hit me up with a set of headlights for, or at least the passenger side headlights, because those are plastic.
So maybe you can drill in
the
yours.
The European ones are glass, which is a lot harder to work on. So if you have the plastic ones, you can just make a nice hole in the middle and make an intake for the turbo. So if any US subscriber is watching this, if you have a set of E36 headlights you want to get rid of, or at least the passenger one, maybe crashed one, have one left, hit me up in the comments or on Instagram. Too much pressure over camera. That thing looks to be on stock suspension, man. That's what happens, you preload your car. You preload the car and then you fuck up. Stock suspension, no bueno for drifting. There we go. Stock suspension again, clutch kick. More speed, man. You need more momentum to carry you through the corner. Here we go with the proper three-man tandem again. E46 comp.
What just happened?
So, sorry if this is gonna be a little bit of a short video. It's really cold out, windy, and it's a Sunday and I still want to enjoy the day for a little bit other activities than just watching drifting. So we're gonna head home, and Conrad was like, well, I have guests over at my house as well, so we need to go. So I hopped in with Conrad and he was like, you can drive it. So this is gonna be my first test drive of an E46, so hopefully this is somewhat good.
You never did it before in E46?
Did you painted this?
No, it was already
with the
like
Sharpie?
That. It was already like that.
I've never driven an E46, no.
Time to turn on some music.
What's going on here? Oh look, they're cheap enough because the GoPro doesn't fully register them. They're blinkering.
It's the same if you're trying to do it on a better camera. It doesn't matter.
You have a whole touchscreen thing. All this luxury, man.
Bentley.
At least the gearbox is the same. I know how that works. Woo.
Zip tie.
Yes. It is the zip tie.
I think
You know-
she will die soon.
You know, it feels so smooth just driving like this because there's no welded diff. That's really different. It's so quiet. Even though you have that.
Yeah, for now, we don't understand exactly why it's so quiet.
Normally this was a loud thing. Like, you can hear you coming from a mile away. But there's no... Oh, there.
Here we go.
There we go. This is very dangerous to have something stupid like this in the car, because I'm not gonna be able to control myself with stuff like that.
Why not? We can just get used to it. Nothing big.
Yeah, but I'm gonna get in trouble with stuff like that.
Yeah, that's true. Always when I'm driving in front of the
I mean,
police station.
is there a way to not do it? Because it just does it on decel.
To don't do it?
Yeah.
Or keep it on the low RPMs, or just press the clutch. Orange is neutral.
Oh yeah. Okay. So now we're gonna hit public roads. I'm gonna stop filming. There's also no point in filming while driving on a normal road. Maybe if there's some aggressive driving, but you know, open diff, you can't even do it.
No.
So I'm just gonna enjoy the ride, and I want to thank you guys for watching this video, although it was a little bit short. I had no ride along, so we were just chilling out on the side watching, and then there was lunch break and everything, and we're like, well, we're done with it for today. So please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Yay.